Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a food technology student and you are aiming for GATE 2026, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I am going to explain what is GATE and who is going to conduct GATE 2026 and which paper you should choose, exam pattern, syllabus, and marking scheme, and finally a simple preparation strategy before we start MCQs and PYQs. So let's begin. What is GATE actually? Let's understand it in a simple way. GATE stands for Graduate Aptitude Test in Engineering. It is a national level competitive examination conducted in India, and this mainly tests your conceptual understanding, your application based knowledge, which is not memory or mugging up. So this gate scores are used for MTech, ME or PhD admissions, and even for PSU jobs, and for teaching and research opportunities as well. So gate is not just an exam, it's a career gateway. Next, we'll see who is going to conduct this GATE 2026. So, the organizing institute is IIT Guwahati, and it is conducted on behalf of National Coordination Board of Ministry of Education, Government of India, and this is the official website which you can check over the details. Next is, which GATE paper should food technology students choose? So there are actually two papers, which is first one is GATE XE and the second one is first one is GATE Excel and second one is GATE XE. Excel is life sciences, XE is engineering sciences. So life sciences, the students who are interested in science background like chemistry, everything, they can choose life sciences, and the students who are more into the engineering field like mathematics or mental ability, or who are proficient in calculations, they can choose this engineering sciences. So we can discuss this in the next videos. Next, uh, now let's understand the GATE Excel exam pattern. So here we have the general aptitude, which is a compulsory section. You have to attend it, which is of 10 questions. 5 questions are of 1 mark and 5 questions are of 2 marks. So total in this section you will get 15 marks. Next is chemistry. This is also the compulsory section. Here you will have 15 questions, 5 questions of 1 mark and 10 questions are of 2 marks. So total of 25 questions. Next is an optional section. Here you, from Q to U, these are the subjects, you have to choose any two among them. So total there will be 40 questions, 20 questions per section, with 10 questions are of 1 mark and 10 questions are of 2 marks. So this is the GATE Excel pattern. Next you will see the core areas of Excel paper. Here these are the areas. First one is biochemistry, botany, microbiology, zoology, and food technology. So if you, the first one is food technology, you have to choose if you are proficient in it, and next, which is very familiar to you, you can choose any one among them. So overall you have to choose two sections. This is of GATE Excel. Next is GATE XE exam structure. Here, first one is general aptitude, same like Excel, which is of 10 questions. 5 questions of 1 mark and 5 questions are of 2 marks, total of 15 marks. Next is engineering mathematics. In Excel, you will find chemistry here, but here in XE paper, you will find engineering mathematics. Here you will have the 11 questions, 7 questions of 1 mark and 4 questions are of 2 marks. and the total weightage is 15 marks. Next, this is optional section. Here also you have to choose two sections. Total you will have 44 questions and 22 questions per section, with 9 questions are of 1 mark and 13 questions are of 2 marks. So here also same, total 100 marks question paper, and you will have 65 questions. Next we'll see what are these sections. So candidates must choose any of the two sections which are proficient. First one is fluid mechanics, material science, solid mechanics, thermodynamics, polymer science and engineering, food technology, atmospheric and oceanic sciences, and the last one is energy science, which is newly introduced for GATE 2026. So this year only they have introduced this topic. So you have vast options where you can choose any two among this. So next we'll see uh, the negative marking scheme. So now let's understand the marking, because this decides your rank. So in 1 mark MCQs there will be minus 1 by 3 mark for incorrect answer, and in the case of 2 mark MCQs there will be minus 2 by 3 mark for incorrect answer, and in case of MSQ multiple select questions and NAT numerical answer type questions there will be no negative marking. So this both type of questions you can mark as per your wish, as there are no negative marking. And this MCQs which are of 1 mark and 2 mark, you have to put some uh, like efforts while choosing the correct answer. Next is the examination schedule. So here you can see from February 7th to February 15th. You can see only on Saturdays and Sundays the exam have been scheduled. And here you can see forenoon session and afternoon sessions. So Excel you can see here, and XE also, which is on Saturday February 7th, which is on morning session only. So, and even the announcement of results will be on 19th March 2026, which is on Thursday. For any updated schedule, you can just visit the official website of IIT Guwahati. Next, the most important thing is GATE is concept based, not a memory based exam. This you have to put it in your mind. And my simple and proven strategy I would like to tell you is, first of all, learn the concept clearly and then practice the MCQs based on those concepts and solve the PYQs also. And the further last most thing, analyze the mistakes which you have solved in this PYQs and MCQs. So uh, just learn from those mistakes so that you won't again make errors in your future exams. Next is, I would at the last I would like to tell you everyone is one exam, one rank and a lifetime of opportunities. That is only the gate. So from the next video onwards, we'll start the topic wise MCQs and PYQs and complete the gate food syllabus systematically. And if you are serious about GATE 2026, subscribe to the channel and stay consistent. Thank you for your patience. Let's crack the GATE together.